There's a brand new website out there that will pay you instantly in free PayPal money. This requires no social media following, no skills or experience, and of course, it's available worldwide. This person here is making $20,000 monthly, investing no more than 5 hours in that same period of time. And today, I will show you how you can do the same step by step without investing a dime or requiring any skills whatsoever. If you want to make a lot of money with absolute ease, then this is the perfect video for you. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have a very crazy strategy for you. In this video, I will show you how one person is making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis, investing like 4 to 5 hours of work total, and I will show you how you can replicate that to make just as much money. So with that said, here is the person I was talking about. This channel is called Academy of Ideas, and believe it or not, this channel makes a lot of money online. And here's why you want to make these kinds of videos. Everything is incredibly simple and easy to do. The thumbnails are easy to create, and so are the videos. And you don't have to upload that often whatsoever, but you can still make a lot of money since the niche is incredibly popular. Despite the fact that these thumbnails are so simple, these videos are all getting hundreds of thousands of views because a lot of people are interested in these kinds of psychology-type videos. This niche is very popular, as I said before, and that's always a good thing when it comes to YouTube. But the best part about this isn't how simple these thumbnails are or how popular the videos are, but how simple the videos are to make. Here is one video I opened up. It's called Why an Obsession with Safety Creates Sick Minds and a Sick Society. This video, even though it's only a month old, has had over 600,000 views thus far, showing just how popular of a niche this is. Anyhow, what this video consists of is the main thing I want to show you. If you were to play it, you would see that it literally just consists of photos that are changing every now and then, and a voiceover over top. And that's literally it. And this video is not the exception. Here's another one I opened up, and again, the same thing. It just consists of photos. Here's yet another one I want to show you just to prove that all of these videos are made in the same fashion. And as you've just seen, they all consist of photos, and that is mind-blowing considering the fact that these videos have huge views. In other words, anyone can create a video like this because it's incredibly easy to combine photos into a video rather than having to create animations, for example. And I will walk you through the entire process, from obtaining the photos to what software to use to combine them all and what site you can use to create the thumbnails as well. Before I show you all of that, however, there is one last thing I need to cover. How much money are we talking about here? Because, after all, creating videos, as simple as they may be, is not going to be worth your time if you can't make any significant amounts of money doing it. But in this particular case, you can indeed make quite a bit of money. According to Social Blade, the aforementioned channel makes up to $16,000 per month creating those very simple videos, which is not bad considering the work invested and the fact that the owner of the channel only uploads like twice a month or so. With that being said though, YouTube is not the only source of income here, so keep watching, because later on I will show you that with another source of income, this person is crushing it. But first, let me give a more accurate estimate of how much money this person makes every month from the ad revenue. If I scroll down, I'll find out how many views per month we're talking about. And as you can see, in the last 30 days, this channel has gotten 4 million views. Since the CPM for these kinds of videos is around $3, that means we're talking about $12,000 a month, which is not that far off from what Social Blade estimated the income to be. With that said, let me now show you guys the secondary source of income this channel has that I mentioned a minute ago. And that source is their own website. As you can see, for getting a membership, people pay a certain amount of money. For the annual option, it's $45 a year, and for the monthly one, it's $5. And lastly, there is a third one-time payment of $177 for the lifetime membership. And apart from getting money from their own site, Academy of Ideas has other ways to make money, like Patreon and PayPal. And through all of these sources of income, Academy of Ideas is making a ton of money. And I know that thanks to this site here called similarweb.com, for those of you who don't know, using this, you can figure out how much people visit a certain site on a monthly basis. And the number of people that visit Academy of Ideas site, guys, is astonishing. As you can see, 130,000 people have visited their site in the past month. And let's say that all of the people who bought a membership went for the monthly option, which, let's face it, is not realistic. Most of them, I'd reckon, would go for the yearly one because it's far more affordable. But regardless, let's say now that 1% of people, which is again extremely conservative, actually bought the membership. That is around 1,300 people. Multiply that with $5 and you get around $6,500. And this is literally as low as it could get. I can guarantee you that the number is at the very least 5 times higher. But even if we go by this conservative estimate, that means that whoever owns this channel makes around $20,000 a month. And don't forget that we're basically ignoring the PayPal and Patreon payments in the process. This is most definitely not bad considering that there are only a few videos per month. And that is why this is such a good strategy. The thumbnails are easy to create, the videos are simple to make, and to top it all off, you can work as much or as little as you want to, and you will still be crushing it, making thousands of dollars per month. With all of that said and done, let me now show you exactly how to make those kinds of videos. And a site I'm about to show you, you can use both for the making of the video and the actual thumbnail. And that site is this one right here called deviantart.com. This site is perfect for creating the videos and thumbnails for the types of videos Academy of Ideas makes. As you've seen in their videos and thumbnails, they basically consist of different pictures of art. And as such, this site is perfect for using those images for the actual video and thumbnail as well. Most importantly though, all of the images you can use on here are completely free. Apart from this, there are 2 other sites that are great for getting free images, and those are pexels.com and pixabay.com. All of these 3 sites I showed you are great. Whichever one you want to use is completely up to you. Anyhow, you need something to edit the images for the thumbnail, and for that, I recommend this site here called photop.com. This is basically like the free online version of Photoshop, and it can be great for creating professional and great-looking thumbnails. The next thing you need is something for recording your voice, and Audacity is one of the best programs out there. It's completely free to use and has a lot of options, amongst them noise reduction tools. So if you have background noise like an AC running or something, you can easily remove it. And there are many more options to edit the audio as well. Lastly, to actually make videos, you need a video editing software. And OpenShot is one of the best ones you can use. It's free, of course, and for creating those ridiculously simple videos, you won't need anything too complex anyway. You just need to sync the various photos you will show throughout your video with your audio, and that's basically it, just like this person is doing. And the money that can be made, guys, is insane. As you have previously seen, this is by far one of the easiest ways to make a lot of money online out there, most definitely. You can use YouTube to both make money from the ad revenue, and you can also use YouTube as a traffic source to various links in your description, just like Academy of Ideas is doing. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.